Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today we will learn how to compute gross domestic product or GDP using the income approach. The income approach says GDP equals the sum of all incomes earned from producing goods and services in the economy. These incomes include wages, rent, interest, and profit. We also add taxes on production minus subsidies and add depreciation. So the formula is GDP equals wages plus rent plus interest plus profit plus taxes minus subsidies plus depreciation. Here is a visual stack of the income components. Each block represents one source of income that adds to GDP. Now, let's do a full example with actual numbers. Suppose wages are 500, rent is 100, interest is 80, profit is 120, taxes are 60, subsidies are 10, and depreciation is 40. We substitute these into the formula. GDP equals 500 plus 100 plus 80 plus 120 plus 60 minus 10 plus 40. First compute taxes minus subsidies. 60 minus 10 equals 50. Now add everything together to get the final GDP. So using the income approach, we add all incomes from production plus taxes minus subsidies plus depreciation. In our example, GDP equals 890.